I have here a foldable magnetic mount for your phone. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and then I'm going to show you how to install this on your car, and you're going to test it out and see how well it works. So there's the mount right there. So on the bottom side, there's this little plate right here. You can just slide it off. This is just a little metal disc with some two-sided tape. You're going to put the two-sided tape onto the dash and attach this piece to your dash so that you can then just stick this on top of the dash. So this folds open just like this, and then your phone connects right there. So I'm going to mount my holder right here, so it's going to be stuck to the front of the dash like that. So I'm just sticking on the metal plate right here, and it's just two-sided tape, and it's going to attach just like that. So now that I got the plate installed, I'm going to just clip the holder on, and you can see it sticks really good. And then I can adjust the angle. I can also twist it if I want to turn the angle one way or the other. So it's nice and versatile, and it holds on really good. I can pull it off, but you can hear how well it sticks on there, and it holds really well. So this is designed as a MagSafe style. So it's going to work with any Apple with a MagSafe, and it's going to clip on that easy, and you can just pull it off, put it on, you can turn it. Makes it really nice and versatile. So if you have a phone that's not an Apple MagSafe, it comes with this little metal ring that you can affix to the back of your phone. That's going to make it so you can stick that phone right here to this as well. So I've got my phone on here. I'm going to go for a little test drive and see, make sure it's not going to fall off and it's going to stay securely attached. So I'm on a road here that has some speed bumps, and we're going to make sure that the phone mount will stay attached and the phone will stay on it as well. So even going over the speed bump, the phone or the mount didn't even move. So this foldable magnetic mount is really nice, super easy to install. It's really nice and versatile, so you can spin it any way you need it to. It's still going to stay attached. It's strong enough that my phone didn't have any issues staying on, even going over bumps. So I'd recommend it to anybody that wants to add a nice mount to their car.